Are you tired of multiple subscriptions in order to grow and maintain your online business? Or maybe you have multiple attempts to join an affiliate program got rejected because you don't own a website? Well, I have a good news for you. Hey friends, welcome to today's video. You know, affiliate marketing is becoming more and more competitive these days, and as a result of this, some programs are clamping down or making it more difficult for potential affiliate marketers to join. One of these restrictions or limitations is that of owning a website before joining any program, and that makes it more difficult for potential affiliate marketers to sign up to top affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates and many others. However, I am glad to introduce you to a system that allows you to join and promote your program without owning a website. This system also allows you as a content creator, a coach, or a digital marketer to promote your products without having to subscribe for many or multiple tools in order to maintain and promote your business. I am talking about no other platform than System.io. This platform was basically designed for entrepreneurs like content creators, coaches, and digital marketers. So with this platform, there is no need for you to pay for other subscription or other plans to promote or maintain your business anymore. If you are a coach, for example, you need a landing page. You also need to collect email. You also need to sell your course. Again, you also need to do email follow-up. All those your emails you'll be collecting, you have to be sending back feedback to them. So with this platform, you will be able to do all of these with little or minimal subscription. You don't have to pay for any other subscription plan to handle all of this. System.io allows you to handle all of this in one place, and that makes it easier for you to handle your business and promote it faster than any other platform. So System.io gives you access to all the tools that you need as a coach to manage and promote your business in the online space. As a digital marketer, it is very, very important for you to own a website or a blog where you'll be promoting your products. So with System.io, you can create a simple website or a blog that you will be using to promote your products without a coding skill. So this platform allows you to create a simple website for your products or a blog without you having the knowledge of how to create a website. So that means with System.io, you do not need to pay anyone to create or design a website for you to start promoting your affiliate product. This is possible only on this platform. System.io also allows you to create a landing page for your business or a sales funnel where you'll be directing all your traffic to in order to make sales. We are not just talking about any landing page. We are talking about a converting landing page. This is only possible on this platform. So with System.io, you don't need a paid funnel any longer to promote your product. Neither do you need a subscription for your landing pages. So with System.io, you'll be able to create all of this in one place with just minimal efforts and minimal amounts. There are also materials and templates that were specifically designed for content creators on this platform. Interestingly, this platform allows you to earn a 60% recurring commission if you refer any of your friends to this platform. That simply means if you refer anyone to this platform, whatever that person is purchasing or subscribing to on this platform, you will earn a commission of 60% for life. That means whenever the person will be purchasing anything on this platform, you earn a 60% commission from that friend. Alright? So assuming you are able to refer 10 persons to this platform, that simply means you will be earning 60% from each of them up to 10 times for life, as long as they continue to be on this platform. That is System.io for you. Interestingly, you don't need a website to sign up to this platform. All you need is your email and your name. So with your email and your name, you can sign up to this platform and then start promoting immediately, and also start enjoying these amazing benefits if you are a content creator or a coach or a digital marketer. this platform was designed specifically for you. Alright, so what I will be doing now is to drop the link to this platform in the description section of this video. So go check it out. Go to the description section of this video to see the link. You use it to sign up to this platform and start enjoying all these amazing benefits from this platform. Right, thank you so much for staying put to the end of this video. This is the only platform that will continue to share meaningful content with regards to platform or AI tools that can enable you to maximize profit from your online business. So remember to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my weekly contents that I will be dropping on this channel. And I will be especially glad if you give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.